This is an accident that happened at Ogijo today, whereby one person was confirmed dead. It's a trailer of double D. It seems as if the brake failed. And he ran into the house. He speed and killed the security man at the office. It's a terrible event. This is what happened at Ogijo this afternoon. It's a very terrible event. The security man was sitting inside before the motor ran inside and killed the security man.